Hey everyone, in this video I am going to show you the HDFC bank not working. If your app not working properly, don't worry, in this video I will show you simple and easy step to fix the problem. Just follow each step carefully. First you need to check your internet connection. Make sure your internet is working. Turn your Wi-Fi off and then on again. Or you also can do switch to mobile data and try opening any website to internet. If internet is not working, the app will also not work properly. And the second step is restart your phone. Sometimes a simple restart can fix many problems, or this helps remove small bugs and glitches. And the another step is update the app. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Open Play Store or App Store, search for the app and tap on update option if it is available. And another step is clear app cache. Clearing cache can fix loading and crashing issues. First, you need to go to on setting, apps or app management and select the apps or app list. Then search for looking app and tap on storage and cache. Then click clear cache. This removes temporary files causing problems. The last step is install the app. If nothing works, restore the app. First, you need to uninstall the app, restart your phone, and install the app again from Play Store or App Store. By doing all of it, this gives a fresh start to the app. If none of this helps, you also contact the customer service app by going on help center, or they may help you to solve the issue coming on the app. So that's it. These are the best way to fix app problems. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you.